Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about leaf. Leaf is the flat structure which is attached to the stem at a place, and that place is known as node. Leaf is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. The chlorophyll absorbs the solar energy and helps the stomata to get open. Stomata, they are the tiny openings present on the surface of leaves. When the stomata gets open, the exchange of gases takes place. And as we all know, during daytime, the plants cook their food by the process of photosynthesis as well as respire, because oxygen is the important gas for the survival or the existence of the living organisms. The plants, the human beings, the animals, we all respire oxygen in order to sustain our lives in this planet, on this planet Earth. Clear? Last class we have also discussed about the different parts of the leaf. The flat part, the flat portion of the leaf is known as leaf blade. The tip of the leaves, the leaf margin, the outer edge, it is known as leaf margin. In the center, a main line runs. That main line is known as midrib. From the main line, many of the lateral branches come out. They are known as side veins or the lateral veins. Then the part which is attached to the stem, it is known as petiole. And then we had studied about the function of the leaves. It is well known to us that the leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Means the food preparation or the cooking of the food takes place inside the leaf by the help of the raw materials, carbon dioxide and water. Second, just now I stated, and the last class also I explained that the photosynthesis and the respiration, these are the two processes which takes place in the case of plant where the gases are required. For photosynthesis, the plants need carbon dioxide. As we all know, the carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. It has to enter the leaf. Whereas for the process of breathing, the way we get in, we take the oxygen inside our body through our nostrils. The same way, plants also take the oxygen for breathing process. But have you ever thought that from which part they take these gases? They take these gases through stomata. Just now I told you, stomatas are the tiny openings, very small openings present on the surface of leaf. Just imagine this is your surface of the leaf, and the stomatas are present not in one number but in many numbers. And through this opening, the gases enter in the leaf and another gas releases out. Clear? Entering and releasing, it is all done by the small opening. So as we all know, the leaves are there to cook the food. Second, for respiration, taking of oxygen and releasing of carbon dioxide. During night time, the plants only breathe. They do not do photosynthesis. Think why? Why photosynthesis does not occur or take place in the night? The reason is, during night there is no sunlight. No sunlight means no capturing of sunlight, no opening of stomata. Stomata will remain in a closed condition. Stomatas will remain in a closed condition, and hence there is no exchange of gases. Then another question must have come to your mind. Ma'am, if stomatas are closed, then how do they respire? जब स्टोमाटा रात को बंद हो जाता है तो फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता, ये तो क्लियर हो गया मैम. बट व्हाट अबाउट द रेस्पिरेशन? Respiration is a continuous process. they do respire. Yes, plants do respire. They do not respire through the stomata, but they have the tiny openings on the stem and they are known as lenticell. रात के समय में प्लांट्स स्टोमाटास के थ्रू एक्सचेंज नहीं करते हैं. उनके स्टेम में they have small openings and through that opening they respire. They take the oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, and that's why it is said that we should not stand or sleep under the tree during night. अब बड़े बुजुर्गों से घर में पूछना, रात के समय में हमें पेड़ के नीचे या उनके नीचे सोना खड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि रात के टाइम में प्लांट्स सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी ब्रीद दे टेक द ऑक्सीजन एंड रिलीजेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो अगर आप लंबे समय तक पेड़ के नीचे खड़े हो, दैट मीन्स you are only getting carbon dioxide. But daytime it is very good because daytime the amount of oxygen released is better or more than the amount of carbon dioxide is released. Got my point? Now the question is, today's topic is leaf perform any other function? Do they only perform photosynthesis and respiration, or they are of some other use also? Yes. Just like root and stem, the leaves also do some special functions under the topic modifications. Leaves भी किसी प्लांट्स के leaves भी modification के थ्रू कई स्पेशल काम करते हैं. ये दो काम तो सारे प्लांट्स में मिलते हैं. Mostly means most of the plants, their leaves are preparing food and do the respiration process during daytime. But there are some plants where the leaves perform some special function except the cooking and the breathing process. What are they? Let's start today's discussion. Let's check here. The topic is modification of leaves. As I told you, the modifications means adjustment to perform some special function. Clear? Now just you can check, there is a picture, cactus. The cactus plant, can you see any leaves over there? No, you will not be able to see any leaves here. Why? Because here the leaves have done some adjustment. They have modified. उन्होंने अपने आप को बदल लिया है. The leaves which perform some special functions in addition to their usual function of manufacturing of food. Usual function मतलब जो उनका common function है cooking of food are called modified leaves. Cooking of food के अलावा जब कुछ पत्ते कुछ दूसरा काम करना शुरू करते हैं, they are known as modified leaves. These modifications of the leaves are as follows. We are going to study total 4 modifications. The first one is leaf spine. अब इसको समझो कि यहाँ पे स्पाइन का क्या रोल हो रहा है. As we all know, the cactus grows in desert, and we all now well aware that this is the stem portion. Stem is green and the stem performs the function of photosynthesis. Now where is the leaf? कैक्टस का लीफ कहाँ गया? कहीं नहीं गया, ये यहीं पर है. इट हैज टेकन द शेप ऑफ द स्पाइंस. ये आपको जितना दिख रहा है ना, ये जो स्पाइंस है, इट इज नथिंग बट द मॉडिफाइड लीफ. क्या है ये? मॉडिफाइड लीफ. ठीक है. Now why it has been modified? ये modify हुआ क्यों? पहला reason, the cactus grows in desert. ये तो आप सभी लोग जानते हो. The temperature of the desert is very high. The temperature of the desert is very high. पत्ते जो flat होते हैं, the flat leaves exposed to the sun. ये जो पत्ते होते हैं ना, वो ऐसे होते हैं. ऐसे होने की वजह से ये सूरज की रोशनी की तरफ एक्सपोज्ड रहते हैं. एंड ड्यू टू दैट एक्सपोजर, जितना सनलाइट इस पर पड़ता है उतना ज्यादा ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है. ट्रांसपिरेशन वी ऑल नो इट इज द लॉस ऑफ वाटर. तो ये जो आपके जो स्टोमाटाज हैं ये फटाफट खुलने लगेंगे और यहां से आपका ट्रांसपिरेशन शुरू होगा. दिस इज द वेपर. विच वेपर? द वाटर वेपर. द लॉस ऑफ वाटर टेक्स प्लेस. अगर कैक्टस के सारे पत्ते फ्लैट होते, जस्ट इमेजिन what would have done with the cactus. Though cactus grows in desert where temperature is very high and the groundwater is very low, they do not have very good layer of water. और जितना पानी बेचारे को मिलेगा नहीं उससे ज्यादा पानी तो उड़ जाएगा. What will happen? The cactus will die. So what happened? The leaves of the cactus plant they folded themselves. जितने पत्ते ऐसे खुले थे ना सबके सबके सिकुड़ के ऐसे पतले पतले स्पाइन्स की तरह हो गए. नाउ अब ये खुले नहीं है तो बहुत कम रोशनी इस पे पड़ रही है. हेंस द ट्रांसपिरेशन रेट डिक्रीज्ड. द ट्रांसपिरेशन रेट डिक्रीज्ड. सेकेंड थिंग, ये जो स्पाइन्स है इट इज वेरी डेंजरस बिकॉज इट इज वेरी पिंचिंग. तो कोई भी एनिमल्स इसको खाने आएगा. What will happen? The spines will not allow these animals to eat. They act as defense organs for protection against grazing animals. They also reduce the loss of water during excessively hot climates. Reduce the loss of water. Transpiration को कम कर देगा. And that's why this is the modification of the leaves has been seen. Second one, leaf peacher. Have you read about the insectivorous plant? I have taught you. I think last year also standard 5 and in the first chapter also I discussed. Now what is the meaning of insectivorous plants? There are some plants, mostly देखो हम लोग क्या जानते हैं, the green plants are the producers. हम लोग यही जानते हैं ना, ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर प्रोड्यूसर. और आप नोटिस करना जब भी हम एग्जाम्पल देते हैं आई नेवर राइट ओनली प्लांट्स, आई राइट ऑलवेज ग्रीन प्लांट्स. द ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर दी प्रोड्यूसर्स. द ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर दी प्रोड्यूसर्स. क्लियर? बट देयर आर सम स्पेशल प्लांट्स, दे आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसर. सॉरी, दे आर दी प्रोड्यूसर्स. They are the producers, but they grow in poor soil. They grow in poor soil. Now, what is the meaning of poor soil? Poor soil means where nitrogen content is very low. Where nitrogen content is very low. बहुत कम होता है वहां का नाइट्रोजन कंटेंट. क्लियर टू यू? अब इन प्लांट्स को ताकत नहीं मिलती है. They are green, but they do not get enough nutrition from the soil. मिट्टी में पानी होता है, मिट्टी में मिनरल्स भी होते हैं, पर इन प्लांट्स को उतनी ज्यादा ताकत नहीं मिलती है. So what they do? They find the other way. उनको दूसरा रास्ता चाहिए होता है ताकि उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा ताकत मिले. They start feeding on insects. प्लांट्स इंसेक्ट्स खाना शुरू कर देते हैं. सोच के अजीब लग रहा है ना कि प्लांट्स इंसेक्ट्स कैसे खाएंगे. यस, दे ईट. हमारे पास एक प्लांट है पीचर प्लांट एंड द वीनस फ्लाई ट्रैप. देयर आर टू प्लांट्स, द पीचर प्लांट एंड वीनस फ्लाई ट्रैप. अब ये कैसे काम करते हैं बताते हैं. पीचर प्लांट के जो पत्ते थे ना वो ऐसे हुआ करते थे, ठीक है, पर इनको एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिशन, एक्स्ट्रा मिनरल्स की जरूरत पड़ी. व्हाट दे डिड, क्या किया उन्होंने अपने पत्ते को इस तरह से फोल्ड करके एक जग का शेप बना लिया. ठीक है, एक जग का शेप बना लिया. दिख रहा है, ये इनका पत्ता है. देखो पत्ता ऐसा था ना, अब ये पत्ता फोल्ड होके इस तरह का जग जैसा शेप बना लिया. एंड द टिप ऑफ द पोर्शन, ये जो टिप था ना, ये टिप यहां पर इसके ढक्कन का काम किया. दिस इज द लिड. लिड मतलब ढक्कन, एंड दिस इज योर पीचर। अभी भी सोच रहे होगे ना कि मैम आखिर ये काम कैसे करेगा। नाउ सी हियर, प्लांट्स लाइक द पीचर प्लांट एंड द sundew plant possess highly modified leaves that trap and digest insects. This process provides the plant with nutrients that the plant would not obtain otherwise. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. पहले तो insectivorous का मतलब क्या हुआ? The plants which feed on insects. The plants which feed on insects are called insectivorous plants. अब ये खाना कैसे खाता है सुनो। अब इस पीचर के पास में मान लो कोई इंसेक्ट है, ओके। Now this insect, when it comes near the peacher shaped leaf के पास में जब ये इंसेक्ट आता है, then this insect by mistake enters the peacher. इस पीचर में घुस जाता है, ठीक है। Now what happens? This peacher is sticky from inside and it has downward hairs. ठीक है, इस तरह से एकदम पतले पतले नुकीले हेयर्स होते हैं, डाउनवर्ड पोजीशन। इनसाइड द पीचर इज स्टिकी, काफी चिपचिपी होती है, साथ ही साथ इट हैज हेयर्स विच इज वेरी पॉइंटेड एंड इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? व्हेन द इंसेक्ट enters, the insect get trapped. The peacher is very sticky. The insect get trapped. चिपक जाता है, ठीक है। चिपकने के बाद now insects try to come out. वो आने की कोशिश करता है बाहर, पर ये जो hairs होते हैं जो नीचे की ओर होते हैं वो उसके बॉडी में चुभने लगते हैं, and due to that the insect get killed inside the peacher. ये सारे इंसेक्ट इसके अंदर मर जाते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि स्टिकी होने की वजह से बेचारे चिपक जाते हैं, एंड दीज हेयर्स डज नॉट अलाउ द इंसेक्ट टू कम आउट। इंसेक्ट को बाहर ही नहीं आने देते हैं। व्हेन द इंसेक्ट्स गेट किल्ड इन द पीचर, इट गेट्स डाइजेस्टेड आफ्टर सम टाइम। धीरे धीरे इसकी डिकम्पोजिशन शुरू होती है। एज वी ऑल नो, आफ्टर डेथ ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म दे गेट डिकम्पोज्ड। यहां भी इसकी डिकम्पोजिशन शुरू होती है, एंड देन इट चेंजेस इनटू मिनरल्स। जब इस इंसेक्ट्स की जो डेड बॉडी है, डेड इंसेक्ट है, जब ये मिनरल्स बन जाएगा, इट विल बी यूज्ड बाय दीज प्लांट्स टू गेट एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट्स। बात मेरी समझ गए? वंस अगेन यू कैन सी हियर, this is the peacher shaped leaf, and this is the lid which is formed by the tip of the plant. Now what happens? These peachers have the hairs. These hairs are in downward direction and it is pointed. This is hair which is in the downward direction as well as very pointed. Now what happens? When the insect gets trapped, मान लो ये कोई insect है, it gets trapped in the peacher, the lid closes. ये lid जो है ना, ये बंद हो जाएगा। जो ये खुला हुआ lid था, अब ये बंद हो जाएगा। It will be closed. Now lid is in closed condition. Insect will try to come out, but unable because it is sticky. The leaf is sticky, hence the insect will be unable to come out. The insect will try to come out. Insect बहुत कोशिश करेगा कि वो बाहर आए, but these hairs will not allow these insects to come out, and hence it will become dead. And after death, the insects will be decomposed and changes into minerals. And these minerals, which is the after decomposition of the insects, it will be used by the peacher plant. Sorry, the third one is leaf tendril. Clear? The third modification is leaf tendril. Now what happens in the leaf tendril? the way we have read in the stem. पढ़ा था ना सपोज के लिए, the same way. In some of the leaves, this is the leaf, in some of the leaves, spring-like structures comes out. This is known as leaf tendril. Done? In some plants, leaves are modified into structures which are highly coiled. घुमा हुआ. They help the plant to climb. यहाँ पे जैसे सपोर्ट चाहिए था ना ताकि ऊपर चढ़ सके, the same way these leaf tendril help in climbing the plants to upper portion. The example we have P. gloriosa etc. are some of the plants that have such leaves. Got my point? This is the third modification of leaf. First one for protection and for dropping down the transpiration rate. Second one to get the extra nutrition from the insects. Third one to get the support so that the plants will climb to the upper part. Fourth one and the last one is as a reproductive organ. Now what is the meaning of reproduction? Standard 5 also we have read reproduction की meaning क्या होती है? To produce more of its own kind. To produce more of its own kind. And as we all know, generally हम लोग किसी seeds को जब हम जमीन में डालते हैं तो उससे पेड़ निकलते हैं. This is your sexual reproduction. But when the plant do not have seeds, the other plants also perform as the reproductive organ. Standard 5 में हमने पढ़ा था ना कि one is through seeds, another through other parts of the plant. There is a plant Bryophyllum. 5 में भी आपने इसके बारे में पढ़ा है. In the Bryophyllum plant, at the leaf margin, ये जो leaf margin है ना, इसका जो किनारा है, यहाँ पे it is known as notch. What we called it? Notch. And from this notch, many of the small plants comes out. छोटे छोटे पत्ते ऐसे ऐसे निकले रहते हैं. ठीक है. अब इन पत्तों को अगर आप यहां से तोड़ दो, डिटैच कर दो, bring it down into the soil, it will behave as a single Bryophyllum plant. तो यहां पे हमने एक बड़े से पौधे के छोटे छोटे पत्तों को तोड़कर when we transferred it to the soil, it produced into a new Bryophyllum plant. You just check the diagram. So many small leaves are there at the fringes. Fringes मतलब at the margin. ये है किनारा, लीफ का किनारा है, and at this margin many of the small leaves can be seen. These leaves are known as bird. ये जो छोटे छोटे पत्ते हैं ना, इसको हम bird कहते हैं, BUD. ठीक है. आई पोटैटो में भी बर्ड होता है, कली को भी बर्ड कहते हैं, ये भी बर्ड होता है. नाउ दीज बर्ड्स व्हेन इट गेट ट्रांसफर्ड टू द सॉइल, इट प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू प्लांट्स. इन सम प्लांट्स, एग्जांपल Bryophyllum, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. Example Bryophyllum, leaves have birds that can produce new plants. Okay, so that's all in today's class. Just go through the book, do the reading of the book, and find out the problem if you still have after this discussion. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.